Welcome to my store. That's why we got so many guys. See, once we get this end on, we just masking tape. So this one holds this, and that one holds that. So then the other people just do this.
Now, do we have to flip this over?
No. This is the way it is. Okay, you know you're going to have to make this stand level because right now it's rocking.
Yeah, I know.
Is this where the tank's going to sit ultimately? Or are you going to move it after we...
It's gonna be right here.
Yeah? So, Harvard...
There's a crack over here.
Yeah, you got to... Okay. When they were taking it off, I guess they cut that with something. So, right now you're okay. But if somebody was to whack that, that's the same kind of scratch as what you use to start like a cut. Because glass is an amorphous solid. Okay, it's kind of got a crystalline structure in it. Okay. So you just have to put a little crack. Now if somebody whacked that with a hammer from the other side, it would crack right to here. So be super, super careful. Right now it's only a surface scratch. But just to let you know, don't drop a rock down there, don't drop anything down there, because if you do, bad things will happen.
Okay.
If it did happen, basically what you have to do is pull a patch. Because this crack is just going to go here. So that's not too bad. But these scratches, they may go someplace else.
It's only there, right? There's
Yeah.
like one of these.
That's the only one we found on this panel.
Okay. Hope's the only one.
Yeah.
I did a good job so far without any experience.
Yeah, well, hell, I don't know what I'm doing either.
Yeah, you do. No, come on.
Ah, come on, it's funnier if we say that.
I was gonna serve you a drink, but now you made me
You don't want us to
about
get all liquored up, man. That's the last thing you want. Okay, grab this piece. Let's set it up on this to shave it on here. In your hand. I'm going to flip this upside down.
Okay.
And set it on here. Just so that we're working up here at the...
Did someone let the water dry out, or is it just dirt?
Algae. Okay, for these ones we got to do the edge. Because this is the edge that... where's the... Oh, I'll use this. Where's the yellow one? This one?
Feels like it.
What the hell are they taking this apart with?
Here too.
They got one on both sides. Yeah, because this is where the
Filter box
overflow
was?
sump was in.
That's why. I guess that's why it's spraying too long.
Yeah, well, as long as we point out where all the scratches were, we get paid. And you got another one here too.
Does all this have to come out here too?
Yes.
Watch my arm.
Oh, you could be feeling. Well, see what he did? He got really excited when Hortensia whacked all the stuff against the side of the truck.
Oh, nice.
That
So
he had.
shoved it against a broken piece of glass that I had specifically said, Aaron, be careful. But he wanted
6
to...
stitches later.
And we videotaped the stitches too.
I don't know where that
Do we
went.
have to take this stuff off from the bottom?
Yep.
There's scratches here, right?
Oh yeah. He's got quite a few scratches. As long as nobody ever whacks it, he's fine.
There's a chip here.
Yeah, that's no problem. Chips are actually less of a deal than a scratch because that's ended.
One scratch.
But if you look on the back of this piece,
How did he get it here?
well, he cut it apart.
I know, he said that he had it in his storage unit and then cut it apart.
3 days, 12 hours.
Well, the man likes his fish like anybody that's got a swimming pool full of fish in his garage. He likes his fish.
I'm surprised you don't have any in my pool.
If I had a garage, I would have a swimming pool in the garage, but when I got the white tubs out the back,
That don't have fish in them, surprisingly.
that's because they're not heated. It's not warm enough during the summer to even put
For
them outside.
goldfish.
Put guppies and goldfish. Well, I'm at the store all the time now.
So, you had the store last year. Are you done with that end yet?
This end, no?
He's got scratches everywhere, right?
Oh yeah. I don't know what he used to take it apart, but he shouldn't have been using it.
Yeah, because there's some right there, too.
Yeah, here too.
Oh, this one's
Yeah.
deep. This one's deep.
Oh crap. And that heads towards there.
There's some over here, too, even.
Did he use a file to take it apart?
Exacto.
No, the X-Acto knife won't do that. That's why we're using X-Acto knives.
Oh, they won't scratch
Yeah.
No.
the glass, huh?
Not even a dull one.
No, not even a dull one.
Like here too. I got lots, man. Got lots.
There's one over here. There's a bunch over here, too.
Yeah, well, we'll acquaint him with all of them.
Should I just turn the camera off?
Well, you did an original shot now.